Hello children. Today we are going to see a grammar topic which is similes. In Worksheet 2.2, similes are often used in poetry. When you are going to learn about similes, before that, you must know about figure of speech. Let us go and learn about figure of speech. Figure of speech is a figurative language which is used to draw a picture mentally to convey a message or an idea much quicker, effective and vividly. It is always based on a comparison and it's not literally true. It can be a metaphor or simile designed to make a comparison. So simile is a word or a phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. Let us go and learn about types of figure of speech. In English, there are 7 important figure of speech. They are simile, metaphor, hyperbole, apostrophe, oxymoron, onomatopoeia, and personification. Let us go and learn about simile. Simile is a word which is used to compare between two unlike things by using words like and as. Here I am comparing one thing with another thing by using a simile words like and as. But there is one common thing between both of them. Let us go and know about examples of similes. Our soldiers are as brave as a lion. Children, can you find out the two different things in the sentence? Yeah, of course. One is our soldiers and another one is a lion. Our soldiers are human beings. A lion is an animal. Here I am comparing our soldiers with a lion by using a simile word as. There is one common thing between both of them, which is bravery. Go to the another example. She is like an angel. In this sentence, she is a girl compared with an angel by using a simile word like. Can you find out the common thing between both of them? Yeah, of course. That is beauty. Our soldiers are as brave as a lion. In this sentence, as brave as a lion is a simile. In the second example, like an angel is a simile. Let us go to your worksheets. Now read these comparisons. As big as an elephant, as black as coal, fat like cats and dogs. Notice that these sentences draw a direct comparison between two different things by using the words like and as. Such sentences and phrases are called similes. So children, simile is a word that directly compares two different things by using the words such as like and as. Go to section A. Underline the similes in these sentences. Go to the first one. Though they look similar, the twins are as different as night and day. In this sentence, can you find out the two different things? Yeah, of course. One is the twins and another one is night and day. Here, the twin people were compared with night and day by using the simile word as. Can you find out the simile in the sentence? Yeah, of course. As different as night and day is a simile of the sentence. Go to the second one. Geeta is as thin as a rack. Rack, which means a garden tool with a long handle. Here, Geeta was compared with a rack by using a simile word as. In this sentence, as thin as a rack is a simile. Go to the third one. Sahil was so tired that he slept like a log. Log, which means a thick piece of wood that has fallen from the tree. Here, Sahil was compared with a log by using a simile word like. So, in this sentence, slept like a log as a simile. Go to the fourth one. This dress fits you like a glove. Here, the dress was compared with the gloves by using a simile word like. So, in the sentence, fits like a glove as a simile. Go to the fifth one. She was the only one wearing the coat. It made her stand out like a sore thumb. Here, the coat was compared with a sore thumb by using the simile word like. So, in this sentence, stand out like a sore thumb as a simile. Number 6. Her love for her sister is as deep as the ocean. Here, her love was compared with the ocean by using the simile word as. So, in this sentence, as deep as the ocean. Let us check the answers. Number 1. As different as night and day. Number 2. As thin as a rag. 3. Slept like a log. 4. Fits like a glove. 5. Stand out like a sore thumb. 6. As deep as ocean. Let us go to the section B. Write the meaning of the similes given below. Go to the first one. As smart as a fox. You all know about an animal which is fox. It is very cunning and also it's very clever. It has an intelligence. So which is the right answer for the first one? Which means as smart as a fox, extremely intelligent. Here you are comparing the fox intelligent, which means extremely intelligent. Go to the second one. As quick as a cat. You know about a cat which is very cute and running very fast to catch a rat. So in this sentence, you should describe about the cats which is running very fast. So the answer is very swift. 3. As tough as iron. You all know about the iron or a steel which is very strong. So how will you describe this word? Yeah, of course, very strong, as tough as iron, which means very strong. Number 4. Cry like a baby. You all know about a baby cries often to get something from others, which means unnecessarily crying. So the answer of the fourth one is unnecessarily crying. Number 5. As brave as a lion. You all know about a king of the jungle who is lion, which means it doesn't have a fear about other animal. So the meaning of the word is fearless attitude. Number 6. As black as coal. You all know about the color of coal which is black. So the answer is dense black. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Extremely intelligent. 2. Very swift. 3. Very strong. 4. Unnecessarily crying. 5. Fearless attitude. 6. Dense black. Go to section C. Here they have given the options. You should read that before you are going to do the exercise. Complete the similes using words from the box. Hills. You all know about the hills. And did you visit any hill station? Yeah, of course. How it would be? Which is very tall and old. So, go to the second one. Bee. It is an insect. It flies very fast. Bat. It has a small eyes with very sensitive vision, and also it doesn't have sharp eyes. Feather. If you are touching the feather, how do you feel? Which is very soft and silky. Desert, which is very hot place. If you are there, you will be getting very thirsty. Lark, which is a small brown bird that makes a pleasant sound, feels very happy. Go to the first one. I am so thirsty that my mouth is as dry as a dash. Can you find out the two different things? One is mouth. So here they are comparing the mouth with a desert place which is very thirsty and dry. So there is two comparison in the sentence. One is mouth and desert. By using a simile word as. So the answer is desert. I am so thirsty that my mouth is as dry as a desert. Go to the second one. Without her glasses on, Jaya felt as blind as a dash. Here the Jaya's eyes was compared with the bat's eyes, which has a small eyes with very sensitive vision. By comparing the simile word as. Without her glasses on, Jaya felt as blind as a bat. Go to the third one. The baby kitten is as light as a dash. If you are touching the baby kitten, how do you feel? Which is very soft. So, can you find out the answer for this one? Yeah, of course, which is feather. The baby kitten is as light as a feather. Number 4. I was as busy as a dash. Absolutely, the answer is bee. I was as busy as a bee, which is flying very fast and busy for always to collecting the honey. Number 5. My elder brother won the match. He was as happy as a dash. Can you find out the answer for this one? Yeah, of course. Lark is the right answer because it is a small brown bird that makes a pleasant sound. It makes us very happy. So the answer is lark. My elder brother won the match. He was as happy as a lark. Number 6. That building is as old as the dash. It might fall someday. So can you find out the answer for sixth one? Which is very old and which is very tall? Yeah, of course. The answer is hills, hill station. So here they are comparing the hill station with the building. That building is as old as the hills. It might fall someday. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Desert. 2. Bat. 3. Feather. 4. Bee. 5. Lark. 6. Hills. Go to the worksheet 2.3. Complete these similes to describe your mother. Do not forget to add suitable articles. Here they are asking you to describe about your mother. So you are going to describe about your mother with your own words. Now I am going to describe about my mother. Go to the first one. My mother is as smart as dash. Can you describe the word smart? For example, a web, which means very intelligent. She has a talent to handle us in good way in our life. So the answer is a web. My mother is as smart as a web. Number 2. Her hands are as soft as dash. Can you say 2 examples of the soft things which you have seen in your life? Yeah, of course, one is cotton and another one is silk saree and etc. So here I am comparing my mother's hands with a silk saree. So the answer is silk. Her hands are as soft as silk. Number 3. She sings like dash. Can you find out the bird which is singing very sweet and cute? Yeah, of course, nightingale. So the answer is nightingale. She sings like a nightingale. Number 4. She is as cool as dash. Can you say 2 things which is very cooling and you want to more eat something in your life? Yeah, of course. The answer is ice creams. I hope that you all loved it to eat more in your life. So here I am comparing my mother with an ice cream. She is as cool as an ice cream. Number 5. Her smile is as sweet as dash. A thing which makes you very sweet is honey. Everyone will like that to eat more in your life. Her smile is as sweet as honey. Number 6. She is as strong as dax. Already I said, and one more example before that, which is very strong. Can you find out the answer? Yeah, of course, iron. Your mother is an iron lady. Of course, my mother is also an iron lady. She is as strong as an iron. 7. She looks as happy as dash. Can you find out the word which is very happy? A bird which I have said already? Yeah, of course, answer is a lark. She looks as happy as a lark. Let us check your answers. Number 1. As smart as a wig. 2. As soft as silk. 3. Like a nightingale. 4. As cool as an ice cream. 5. As sweet as honey. 6. As strong as an ox, or else an iron. 7. As happy as a lark. Go to the section B. Rewrite these sentences using similes. One has been done for you. 1. Seema was sleepy. Seema was as sleepy as a sloth. Here, Seema was compared with a sloth by using a simile word as. Number 2. Her hair was very dark. Can you find out the place which is very dark? Yeah, of course. If you are in the midnight, how do you feel? You will be getting feared. So you should describe the word dark, which is very midnight. Her hair was as dark as midnight. Here, her hair was compared with midnight by using the simile word as. Number 3. Your hands are cold. Here, your hands are compared with the cold thing which is an ice cream. So the answer is your hands are as cold as ice, as an ice. Here you are comparing your hands with an ice cream by using the simile word as. 4. The cake is very dry. The cake was compared with a dry thing which is bone. The cake is as dry as a bone. Number 5. The child is very innocent. You all know about the innocence of the child, like a lamb. So the answer is the child is innocent like a lamb. Go to the sixth one. Jatan is very thin. Here we are comparing the Jatan with the thin things, which means a rack. Jatan is as thin as a rack. Let us check your answers. Her hair was as dark as midnight. 3. Your hands are as cold as an ice. 4. The cake is as dry as bone. 5. The child is innocent like a lamb. 6. Jatan is as thin as a rack. Children, I hope that you all can able to understand about similes. So, for the next exercise, which is section C, I am going to give you as homework.